Today we're taking a little bit of a break from the barrister, the lawyer's barrister. I had a client come in and bring me a couple of bar stools, and there's some they're kind of just wobbling apart. So I'm gonna take the time and fix these real quick so that I can get them back to the client. So we'll go ahead and do it. As you can see, there's areas that are here. Actually, all four of them happen to be broken. In fact, when you look at them, let me see if I can, yeah, right here you can see that the glue held, it actually pulled away from the wood. Now, that's not something that is uncommon, only because you're putting grain that's going this way and you're gluing it to an end grain. And even with the screw in place, if it wobbles enough, that's what's going to happen, is it's just going to break away from the grain that's going this way, because you're gluing an end grain and that doesn't hold up as well. So I'm going to disassemble this chair. First thing is to remove the bottom from the top part. The top part really doesn't need any work. It's only the base. So we'll go ahead and remove this first. I have a little container here to put all the screws in. So that I don't lose them. Okay, give me a few moments and I'll have this apart. Like I said, we don't need the seat, so I'm just going to move it out of the road. I'm going to fix these legs. It should go this way, and this should go towards the front of the seat so that it is pretty much always leaning back. So the next thing, so I don't have to replace this, I am going to, however, run it through some degreaser and then re-grease the bearings. So you can see where there's separation here. And this chair is actually one that I have repaired before. There might be a little bit of looseness, but I think I can tighten up on it. So that's all tightened up. So now all we have to do is loosen up the screws in here, and then I'm going to have to separate it because there are pins that go, there are dowel rods that go in here. Let's see if this will go in here. It might. Alright, there's that side. Okay. Now I just have to clean everything up. I'll get back to you here whenever I'm done cleaning it up. as I'm getting further into this piece, I have found that there's a crack that ran all the way from here. Not sure if you can see it. I'll try and get as close as I can, but it goes all the way down here. Now, if I push on it a little bit, I can get it open a little bit. But the one thing that I wanted y'all to see is that the part of the area that's cracked, which there's a piece here, which is this little piece, and this piece here, which belongs in here. And if you look, when the piece was manufactured, stain was applied and it got down into the crack. So this crack actually existed whenever this chair was built. So we have to fix this. Now, part of the problem is that I have to try and clean this up as much as possible, or else the adhesive is not going to stick. So that's what I'm going to work on next. I'm going to try just cleaning it with a little bit of mineral spirits first, and then we'll go from there. I'll get back to you as soon as I get this situated. Okay, we're back now, and what I need to do is kind of upgrade a little bit. They used a type of wood glue to put this together. However, I need to get it a little bit better. Something that's going to really hold it strong. I'm going to go with the epoxy. I have 5-minute epoxy right here, and we're going to use it to Okay, now we'll let that sit for a bit, and then we can continue on. I'm going to go ahead and assemble this back together, and I'll get back with everybody when I have finished.